Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 59. To this question, the instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. And this instruction is to answer question 41 to 70. And in question 59, the newly promoted general marched dash and saluted the president. The new promoted the new promoted general marched dash and saluted the president. The new promoted general marched dash and saluted the president. Option A, briskly. B, dejectedly. C, reluctantly. D, slowly. E, sluggishly. Now if you look at option B to D are negative in nature, but all are what? Adverbial words. Then including option A. Option A is also adverbial, but briskly means fastly. So the general cannot salute the president dejectedly, because dejectedly means sadly. Then reluctantly, without happiness, you just do it. Then slowly and sluggish means almost the same thing. They are used interchangeably, except briskly, which means fast. So we can now say that the newly promoted general marched fastly and saluted the president. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.